hello to my little friend!
Push it to the limit. Walk along the razor's edge. Don't look down, just keep your head or you're finished. Welcome to the limit.
Hey, fuck you, man!
Right, hello, me Callum here. Now, me and my friend Jerseppi have just found a glitch on Ringard Mesa near the end of the track. We'll get you there as soon as we can.
5 minutes later.
What we'll have to do is get this barrel into position. Oh, what the hell? Gone weird there, that did. Just push that down barrel back into its position. Go on, you little bastard, get in. There we go, that's in position now. You need to get up above it with your back wheels so it's like a ramp. Oh, the crack there. It's not right yet. Hang on, it's not right yet. Are you? Oh well. Guys, we can show you a barricade later, guys. Yeah, it's pretty good. Right, I think I'm in position a bit. Right. Then we're going to do is keep hold of R2. But is this game on Xbox? I don't think it is. Right. Thought it was. Stupid me anyway. Mute that because it's too loud. But anyway, in position you get your back wheels above in the air, up on that barrel. If you can get any higher, that'll be great. Then bikes have to take it slowly up onto them, and then they'll suddenly get into what the hell? What the hell, Jake? He's just sitting there in his misery, lying dead. Right, here they come. We'll get back to you when we get in it.
5 minutes later.
Right, before you watch the rest of the video, I need you to know that I'm not sure if this is a glitch or not. It's probably not, because it doesn't have all that funny stuff which is parts of the map missing or whatever, but if you know what the proper name is for it, then just comment underneath, okay? Because I can then change the title and all that. And you'll probably get a special thanks in my next video I do. So thanks. Enjoy the rest of the video. Look, Jerseppi is in now. There he is. There. Look, we've done it. Yep, I'm recording it right now. We're in. Get in. Come next to my car so I can get a better picture. If you go too far, you can go into ghost mode and get out of the map. But like, there's Jerseppi. You can see him a bit right there. He's still alive, but we got in. There we see Jerseppi going in. There he goes. Oh, what is it? Yeah, I got that. That was good. I got you both in there. Looking all cool in there. Right. Next thing we're going to do is show you barricade fun on Dust Devil. It's going to be fucking mint. See you there.